Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your LG K42, let's go for the calendar. Next, click right here, tap that we got it, and move for this marker right here. Then go for the event, add the title, and of course we can adjust other things like we can add the location, change the description, change the color, or even adjust the time zone. If you set up everything, you have to click right here. And as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!